is up? Welcome back to the channel. So right here we have Ruby, my 06 G35 with a G37 IPL front end. So we're actually going to be installing a 370Z third brake light on my cousin's car, the Shrek G35, the G35 with NOS. So that same light we're going to put on his car, except he doesn't have this diffuser. He has the chargespeed rear bumper that we're going to try and put in that little vent or that little hole that it has in the bottom. We're going to try to put it in there and mount it up. Alright, so here we have it, 370Z rear fog light. So we got Mars back in the channel, so he just showed up. We got Shrek over here. Shrek G is up on the jacks now. So basically this light is going to go in here somewhere like that. If I could hold itself up right now, it'll be dope, so I can show you guys from afar. Please don't fall. There you go. Hell yeah, better than having a random hole right there. It looks so much better. So that's the plan. We're planning on figuring out how to mount it right there so it doesn't move. So if anyone's interested, I think like what, 100 bucks? 100 bucks for this stainless steel exhaust. So if anyone wants this stainless steel exhaust, 2.5, all the tubing, and then it's got like these 4-inch tips out here. So if anyone wants it, 100 bucks. It's the HKS replica. I think, yeah, it's the HKS replica exhaust. So if anyone wants it, 100 bucks. But back to over here. We're talking about mounting it like this, but there's nothing, literally nothing it can mount up to. So what we're thinking is, we got brackets. There we go. We're gonna cut this in half and we're gonna try to mount each mount, and then we're gonna self-tap this bracket, the crash bar right here. So it'll either be right here or up here. We'll figure out right now. All right, so he's holding it up right there in the middle. We're gonna probably end up mounting it to the crash bar right here, this one. So I just need to measure with the tape. This, okay, we need about 9 inches. We need about 9, which is right here. There we have it. We got our first bracket. Measure that. Next one, we'll probably do the same thing on this one. Get the same amount that we need. Cool. We got both our brackets. We just need to make a hole for this one for the mount as well. Big enough? Yeah. All right. We have 2 self-taps that we're gonna be using on the crash bar up here. So it's because if you put it right here, it's hanging out, whereas right there it's flush. At least we could put double-sided tape right here in the bottom, hold it right there, and then with the brackets you're good to go. All right, so we put a piece of double-sided tape right here in the bottom, and it's gonna mount up like that right there. So Mars, you're gonna have to center it right now, then we're gonna peel it off and we're gonna mount it. All right. Holding itself up now on its own. Okay. All right. Perfect, perfect. And now we just gotta put the bolts in on there. Where's the other bolt? Do you see it? Or am I laying on top of it?
I think you are from the...
Oh yeah, there we go. So there we have it. Tying these up so it's pretty secure. So I just need to put a self-tap right here and one right here, and then it should hold itself up pretty well. Did it move?
No.
Alright, cool. So once we put this in, it'll be pretty much secure. There we have it. Fully mounted. That thing's not going anywhere now. So now, open your trunk. Now we just gotta run the wires upward. And we can start wiring this thing. On the wrapper, it shows you which wire is what. Black, negative, of course, it's the ground wire. The white is the reverse, of course. Yellow is brake light, and red is DRL rear fog lamp. So, yo, the trunk setup though, and nitrous bottle though. All right, so these pop off like so. So we're gonna be connecting it to one of these. All these. So I know the black is ground, so that's where that one's gonna go. And yeah, we're gonna be basically testing them all out and figuring out which one's which. So these pop off on the sides. Come on. I'm trying to see which side is better to run the wires. Since yours has a custom box, it's gonna be hard to see where I can feed the wires from. So I know JD used this before, this little opening right here. So I'm probably gonna end up using that too. So let's pop that sucker out. Yeah, I'm gonna use this little hole right here. All right, so under here, that opening that I showed you guys is this one. So it's this wire for the license plate bracket thing, or whatever you want to call it. So it's kind of hard to see. If I could just zoom in. Yeah, so it's this opening right here. This one that's moving around. It's that opening. Yeah, there you go. You can see a little bit of light. So that's where we're gonna run the wires through. So Mars, grab one ahorita.
Okay.
In there. Okay. Yeah. So I don't know if you see them.
Yeah, I see them.
Grab all of them. All of them. Feed it through. Feed it all the way. All right, that's good right there. All right, so there we have it. Wires are in the trunk. So ground is the black, white is reverse, yellow is brake, and red is for it to like always stay on when you turn on your lights, and yellow turns the light on when you brake. All right, so I connected the black with black, and right now I have the yellow, which is meant for brake, on the red, but he just turned it on and it looks like it's shining brighter when you actually brake. So it's not supposed to be like that. So I'm guessing let me see if I try red, the DRL with red. Let me see, let me know if it turns on. Yeah, so that's okay. So red goes with red, so it's supposed to be on like that, just slightly when you have your lights on, and then when you brake, it's supposed to be super bright like that. Brake? All right, hold on. Let me tell you. Brake? You're braking? All right, that's not it. Okay, so these red goes with red. So those are like the running lights. So I'll wire up red right now, and then we need to figure out which one's the brake light, the actual brake light. Good to go. And now this pink with blue stripe. Yeah, so the yellow is the brakes, and that pink with blue stripe is the brake. So watch, turn on your quartz Mars and then go brake. So there's a running light, now brake. And there you guys have it. So we just found out what the brake is. It's right there. And now we just need to figure out which one's the reverse. So let me finish wiring the yellow one, and then we'll figure out which one's the reverse. All right, so he just put the reverse on, and every single wire that I actually exposed. So there you have it. The reverse lights are on. So it's this purple one. Yeah, so it's this purple one I'm holding right here. I'm not sure, does it have a stripe? Yeah, it has a stripe. It has a brownish stripe. Oh, I don't even know if it has a stripe. It's just purple. And there's a purple with a white. So it's not the purple with the white. So it's not this one. It's this one. A solid purple. So that's the reverse light right there. So that's me playing with it, making it touch. Yeah. Cool. So we just figured out all the wiring on the first try. Pretty simple. We're gonna upgrade these LEDs to LED, bright white LED later on. But for now, wiring is done. Let me finish wiring it up, and I'll explain to it again at the end which wire goes to where. All right, so there we have it. Everything's wired up. So that's running lights. Now brake. There we go. Reverse. Yup. Let go of the brake. There you go. Take out the reverse. Yup. Everything working perfectly the way it should. So I'll show you guys some nighttime pictures later on. So let's go over the wiring. White goes with purple, solid purple. Yellow goes with the pink and blue stripe. Black goes with black, of course, and red goes with red. Red with a blue stripe. And this is before it actually connects to the headlight, because I think once, or the tail light. So once it gets to the tail light, the colors change. As you guys can tell, majority of them are green. Trunk all back together. Good to go. Mars, you want to do the honors?
Yep.
Removing the plastic. Damn. Yep. Brand new 370Z rear fog light on a chargespeed bumper. Looks good. Hell yeah, it looks so good. There you go, Mars. Damn. I think this is the first G35 with a chargespeed bumper with the 370Z rear fog light. I see everyone else get the little triangle shaped one. This is the first with the 370Z on a chargespeed. Yep, there we have it. And it's running time position right now. Hell yeah. So I'll show you guys later on when it's nighttime. Show you guys some more footage of how it looks. Alright, so we're gonna go get some food. Already I can tell that third brake light now looks so good. Yep, look at that. It actually flows. Let go. Dope. Put it reverse. So dope. So there we have it, guys. I hope you guys found this video informative. If anyone wants to wire F1 style light or a third brake light on your guys' car, so I basically just look back in the video, check which cables are which, and you guys will know which cables do what, which ones do the braking, the DRL, and the reverse lights and the ground. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, thank you guys for always supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.